Thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at 8:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Monday, July 23rd, 2012. A severe
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for southern Ontario at 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Monday, July 23rd, 2012. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Caledon, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, and Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for City of Toronto, City of Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, Pickering, Oshawa, Southern Durham Region, Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, and Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour une alerte d'orage violent pour le sud de l'Ontario à 20h24, heure avancée de l'Est, le lundi 23 juillet 2012. Une alerte d'orage violent est émise pour Uxbridge, Beaverton, région de Durham, Nord. Une alerte d'orage violent est maintenue pour Caledon, Newmarket, Georgina, région de York, Nord, et Orangeville, Grand Valley, comté de Dufferin, Sud. Une veille d'orage violent est maintenue pour la ville de Toronto, la ville de Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Newmarket, Georgina, région de York, Nord, Pickering, Oshawa, région de Durham, Sud, Uxbridge, Beaverton, région de Durham, Nord, et Orangeville, Grand Valley, comté de Dufferin, Sud.
The Environment Canada forecast issued at 7:24 p.m. Monday, July 23rd for tonight, Tuesday, and Tuesday night. City of Toronto, humidex advisory in effect. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect. For tonight, mainly cloudy with 60% chance of showers.